Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arshwal working at Lexis and Company Law Firm as a junior associate. So recently Delhi High Court, Delhi High Court, basically Supreme Court of India has given a decision in the case of Mohammed Muslim versus State of and City of Delhi. So what the court has said that in this case, which is very interesting to understand for you and which is very interesting for you to know. In this video I am going to discuss with you. So let's start our discussion without any further delay. So Supreme Court of India has said that in this case, there's laws which impose stringent conditions for grant of bail may be necessary in public interest. Yet, the court also further said that if trials are not concluded in the time, the injustice reckoned on the individual is immeasurable, right? And incarceration has further deleterious effects where the accused belongs to the weakest economic strata, right? And the court also said that immediate loss of livelihood is also there, and economic case, immediate loss of livelihood, and in several cases, scattering of families and as well as loss of family bonds and alienation from society. That's what the court has said that, and further the court also said that the courts therefore have to be sensitive to these aspects because of the event of an acquittal. The loss to the accused is irreparable, right? The court also said that, and ensure the trials, especially in cases where special laws enact stringent provisions, are taken up and concluded speedily, right? So that's all about the decision of the Supreme Court of India in this case. I hope you understood what I have discussed in this case. If you have any suggestion regarding this, let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.